Right. In this video, I'll show you how to give Robux on Roblox Mobile using the Game Pass method. This is currently the easiest and most reliable way to send Robux to friends on Roblox. First, open the Robux app, then go to the account that will receive the Robux. Tap on the More option, which is on the last on the button, scroll down and select Create. Now open the menu, go to Creations, and select your default experience. Sometime you have to tap double time. Next, open the menu again and find Monetization. Then tap on Passes. Here, create a new pass. You can name it anything you want. Then tap on Create Pass. Once created, open the pass, again go to the menu, and go to Sales. Turn it on and set the price, then click on the Save Change. This price will be the amount of Robux you want to transfer. Keep in mind, Roblox takes a 30% tax, so the receiver will get slightly less. Now, switch to the account that has the Robux. Search for the username of the receiving account, then go to the people, open their profile, go to Creations, select their experience, and head to the Store tab. You'll see the Game Pass listed. Simply tap buy, and the Robux will be sent. One important thing, the Robux will be pending, so it may take a few days before it appears in the balance. And that's how you transfer Robux on Roblox Mobile quickly and safely.